Hello guys, this is Ashraf with me again. In this video I'm going to show you on how to use these three tools. The first one I will show you on how to use Inset Tools. Second one I will show you on how to use Knife Tools, and the third one is Bevel Tools. Okay, let's go with the first tool, which is the Inset Tool. Inset is used to create a face in a face of any mesh. Okay, to do that it's easy. What you have to do is select the object, go to edit mode, alright, and select face selection mode, and you select any face that you want. Okay, in this case I'm going to select this face. Okay, next is to activate the Inset tool, you press I, and you move your mouse so that you will see there is a face there. Okay, I repeat. Okay, this is face. We have one face here. When you press I and you move your mouse inside, and you will see now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Okay, so now you have add new faces in the original face. So what you can do with these faces, okay, you can do anything. Either you want to pull it out, okay, by pressing G, okay, or GX in this case. So now you have different shapes. Or you want to push it inwards, G, X, and you push inwards, and you have this case. But how to create like a frame? Okay, like a frame, you just select inside, you press E, and you move inwards. Now you have depth. Okay, or you can press E and you pull it out. So now you have another face here. Okay, so you can do anything there. So there will be new shapes. Alright, so let's say you want to create a frame, photo frame, sorry, Z, okay, alright, you select this and you press E, you move inwards a little bit, okay, and you select this side and you just move it on x-axis, G-X, so sorry, G-X. So now you have G-X, so now you have a frame. Alright, okay, that is Inset tool. Okay, next we continue with Knife tool. Okay, object mode first, Shift A, mesh, cube. Okay, in this cube, okay, I will apply Knife tool. Okay, edit mode, or you can press tab. Okay, now we are in edit mode. Yeah, alright. Knife tool is used also to add new faces and new edge. Okay, but different from our previous video, which is loop cut tools, whereby you press Ctrl R and then you will have all rounded new edge and new face. But by using Knife tool, you only have to create, maybe you just want to have 2 faces here, the rest remain the same. Alright, so to do that, the shortcut key for Knife tool is K. You press K and then this icon will be appears. Okay, and then you can start to cut, let's say this one, this area to that area. Okay, you press Shift to make it look straight. Okay, Ctrl shift. All right, and then you click and press space. Now you have two faces here, and this face and this side and that side and this side remain one face. You see? Again, I'm showing you. All right. So let's say this area. Press K, and you want to make segments here. All right, and then you press space. Now you have two different faces. Right. Next, I'm going to show you on bevel tools. Okay, next I'm going to show you on how to do bevels. Bevels is tools that can make your edge of your objects become curved. All right, so let's say we have here this cube. So you see the cube's edge is very sharp. Okay, on how to make this edge looks curvy. Let's say you want to create some things like tables with curvy edge here. So this time we're going to use the bevels tool. Okay, so go to edit mode, you can press tab on your keyboard, and let's say you select this edge. Make sure you are in edge selection mode, and to activate the bevels tool you have to press Ctrl+B. Okay, when you press Ctrl+B, you move your mouse. You see, you move your mouse left or right, and you see now your edge has become curved. All right, so how to make more curve on your edge? Okay, again, Ctrl+B, you drag your mouse somewhere left or right, and then you scroll up or scroll down to increase the numbers of the bevel's edge. You have to scroll up, or to decrease you have to scroll down. Okay, this is decrease and this is increase. So the best numbers is like 4 or 5. Okay, or 4 is okay. Okay, see, so now I have one part of the edge is becoming curved. All right, so so let's say you shift and select all this edge and you apply the same thing, Ctrl+B. All right, there. Yep, so now you have like what is it, like that. Okay, cool. Okay, you also can do like this. Okay, you select all, you press Ctrl+B, and then you move your mouse there. You see, so now you have these shapes. Okay, you also can adjust this by clicking on these parameters that appears here, bevels, and you might change the offset, width, and then you can change the parameters numbers. Okay, or you can change the depth here on how many segments. It's from currently it's 5. Maybe you want to change to 9. Okay, but do remember the higher numbers of whatever you do will increase your poly count numbers. Okay, so let's say percents also you can add. Okay, let's say percent is 15% or 8% or 5%. Okay, the segment is, let's say, 2, 5, 10. It's up to you. Right, so yep, so that is bevels. So now I've covered on inset. Okay, so this one is one. Okay, So I've covered on Inset Tool here, okay, and this one is Knife Tools, whereby you can add edge and face on any face, and this one is the Bevel Tool, whereby you can make a curved edge for any of your objects. Alright, we'll be going to use this on upcoming exercise. Until then, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.